My name is Vic Tiang，中文名叫杨永春，我是澳大利亚新海矿业服务有限公司负责人。Okay, so this presentation will provide three major parts. So one is a company overview, or a company overview. Another one is the core competitiveness highlights. The third part will be project references. Yeah, let's move on to the company overview. Yeah, part one. So apologize to Gloria again. So I forgot to advise that Xinhai has changed the name from beginning of this year. It's a Shandong Xinhai Mining Group. Uh, so it's our head office, and Australia Xinhai Mining is registered in Perth, WA. So we started this office mainly to make sure our global project service to cover the frontier of the mining industry. Okay, let's move on. So Elon Zhang is our founder. He started this company from 1997, and even Australia Xinhai registered last year, last July, but doesn't mean Xinhai know nothing about Australia. You can see from these slides, Elon Zhang had become the Austin Fellow since April 2016. Uh, and he's a competent person concerning technical documentation for local products and also other international products whenever required. Yeah. Okay. So the main business unit includes e-commerce platform that's stately in Beijing, at the capital city of China. And also we have the whole team sitting, most of the team sitting in Yantai, from engineering, research, R&D, procurement, fabrication, construction management. For sure, it's based on different project sites globally. And also we do mining operation as well. So that's the main structure of the business units. For the Xinhai positioned the business globally from very early stage, let's say back to beginning of 2000. So the main overseas business under the same umbrella of Hong Kong Xinhai Mining Services Group. And you can see we have two major part of business. One is mine resource investment. We have 8 or to 9 mine sites involved with we are the largest shareholder of all these mine projects located in South American, Africa, and other countries. And the main majority of the service is EPC and MO, means EPC delivery, process plant, mining contract, and operation services. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah, our service start from metallurgical test, move on to feasibility studies, detailed engineering design, mining infrastructure construction, process plant EPC delivery, tailing storage facility engineering services, and contract mining and operation. Yeah, thank you. So this certification to mainly to our management system and also to our workforce, just to make sure our management system and also the workforce fully compliant with the international projects requirement and the regulation or standards application as well. Yeah. Also, we have a very strong R&D capability, so we have filed patents, more than 250 patents. Those are attached to our equipment and material, and also our process for the mining process plant. We have also copyright protection globally and more than 26 countries. The part two is our competitive highlights. So I will start from our footprint globally. So from this map, you can see since 1997, we have served more than 2,500 man sites. Out of them, more than 600 was delivered by EPC contract model, and which means our full scope is the EPC delivery of the full process plant from the normally start from the metallurgical test and move on to the detailed engineering design and its construction commissioning as well. So these are the activities last year. Even before I registered this company, we have started the business from February 2025. We made major investment or strategic investment with the local Australian listed companies. So you can see from February all the way to December, we made a few major cash plus service combination strategic investment. And most of these projects are contracted with a local listed company, but the projects are globally, like in Cuba, Chile, Tanzania, and Kazakhstan, Zimbabwe, and so on. So the red side are all the ISEX announcement. So this one tell you our engineering capabilities. We have a three engineering team with more than 200 employees. So it's an in-house team. The team one is a mine research team. They mainly do the pellet research and mining methodology definition. The second one is Mine Design Institute, mainly for process design to support our EPC delivery of different mineral products. The third team is mechanical design, mainly develop the fabrication design to support our fabrication facilities. That's to support our EPC part of the EPC process as well. We have apart from the R&D capability, we have a very strong manufacturing capability. We have three plants. The plant one is where we started from 1997. Now it becomes our R&D center and laboratory. The plant number two is the majority. That's where our major fabrication lies. So we can fabricate more than 1,000 types of mine process equipment and materials. So the plant number three is mainly to do a lot of modularization and pre-assembly work. That's to reduce the on-site effort of mine process plant construction. So which means we can finish more than 70 or 75% of the construction work in our factory and send to the site with very quick faster track set delivery and construction and commissioning process that will give the project owner a very good financial situation. So this is some photos and slides for the modularization. I believe in this industry, everybody knows the benefits come from this kind of innovative construction methodology. Yeah, in Australia, because we are still a new player in this market, so we engaged with local engineering and EPC delivery team before I have my own team fully set up. So their mainly scope is to validate the design and the equipment selection from China to make sure the full compliance and to the local standard and requirement. Another one is they will work with me to look after all the site work and the subcontractors. So, I mean, work with our local team as well. So this is our engagement with engineering company, both in WA and the eastern states. So this slide give you an example where all those 250 patents are attached to. So these material and equipment, we have developed a lot of new technology to them, and we filed some patents. The rubber at the red down corner had been in Australian market for more than 10 years via different agent. Yeah. Part three is project references. So I give this one a very interesting title. Must be proud of a 364-day delivery. So we signed the contract with the client in June 2022, and we started with a metallurgical test. Then the construction commissioning completed June 2023, and the first concentrate shipped out in September 2023. It's in Bikita. It's 2 million ton per annum lithium flotation process plant. We are the EPC turnkey provider for this project. This one had become our flagship project in Africa. So a lot of new potential customers fly to Bikita to see that plant. This Guiru 500 ton per day gold process plant is fully owned by Xinhai. We have a 3 month to feed this process plant, which was put into operation on 22nd April this year. That's 3 months ago. These are some other projects we delivered globally, and you can see the mineral type and also the capacity of the process plant. So generally, most of these plants, projects you see here is delivered the turnkey EPC contract. Here you can see different locations globally. Zimbabwe, Malaysia. These are some design deliverable of tailing storage facilities. These last two slides give you the top 40 or top 50 projects we delivered globally. So you can see the location and the capacity, also our scope, EPC, or some projects we may only provide part of the system as well. So the last column tell you the process involved in this process plant. Yeah, thank you very much. And if you need any assistance, yeah, just contact us. Thank you.